How has SIMPAC been handling service, maintenance, and just kind of overall business practices throughout the pandemic? And what's kind of been the key to the company's success during these strenuous times?
Well, I can tell you, Brad, it was a nightmare. I mean, so in February of last year, I went to Korea for a buy-off with a customer for a press. And literally during the time we were there in Korea, the COVID rates went from 2 to 3 a day to all of a sudden 1,000 a day. And everybody started freaking out. And then everything shut down, as we all saw here in the United States as well. We had 5 other press systems, whether they be individual presses or lines, that had to be bought off in Korea and then shipped to North America. And when we saw what we were doing, we were taking pictures and videos and sending them the huge files, and then everybody would, the next day, would have a meeting on it, and then we would say, okay, we need this, this, and this. We were doing a buy-off for an entire press system that would take several weeks. It was crazy. There had to be a better way. And that is one of the reasons why we now have this XR technology. I mean, Jamie personally found this technology for us. Okay, so I mean, I have to give credit where credit is due. And our inside sales and marketing manager did an incredible job there. So one of the things that we've succeeded in doing, in able to service our customers better, in order to work with our customers better, in order to do everything better, is this XR technology that we're talking about. Because now what I can do is I can do remote buy-offs. I can do remote discussions with customers. I can do pretty much everything I want on a tablet or on an iPhone. And everybody has a tablet or an iPhone these days. Right. We wanted to make something as user-friendly as possible. So the real hard worker that might or might not have graduated from high school is able to use it. The engineer that has got 12 years worth of engineering experience in school and also in multiple companies is going to be super excited with it, because it's going to be as simple or as complicated as they want it to be. And so that's one of the things that we've been doing working forward, and that's why we're highlighting the XR technology here today.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Stefan. Thanks for joining us today.
Hey, well, thank you very much, Brad. It's an absolute pleasure. Really looking forward to FABTECH and seeing how the show works out for everybody today.
Excellent. Have a good show.
Thanks a lot.